Hey guys, we have a hair care haul.
And it's all because I'm working on my energy, cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this but you are true to this, welcome back to another video. So as you can see here, we are here with a hair care haul. So if you are not new to this, you know that over the past year, going on 2 years now, has it been 2 years? When did I get my, it's been 2 years. So for the past almost 2 years, like a year and a half, you guys know I trimmed my hair into a bob, and I've been like nursing my hair back to health. So I actually have a salon appointment literally like a month from now. I am trying out a new stylist that kind of specializes more in natural hair care than my previous one. My previous stylist I mainly went to just for the sake of just getting my routine trims versus doing them at home. But now I'm like, you know what, if I'm gonna spend the money, invest the time, I might as well go to someone who caters more to natural hair versus my other stylist caters more to like weave installs and things like that. But you know, she could do a mean silk press. But again, I was like, let me just go ahead and go to someone that will just cater more to my natural hair and the overall health of it rather than just doing a silk press and giving my trim. So I'm going to be testing out someone soon, and I am going to do a hair care vlog for it. I'm basically revamping my entire like hair care products, routines, and things that I normally do. So first product I want to show you is from Yanibest, and I do want to say a super huge thank you to Yanibest for sponsoring today's video. So Yanibest has a line of satin bonnets, satin pillowcases, satin beanies, shower caps. Basically, they want to care for your hair. You're putting all of this work into your hair. They want to make sure when you go to sleep at night that your hair is cared for. You're gonna wake up, you're not breaking your hair or anything of the sort. So Yanibest cooperates with top fabric R&D teams around the world to introduce the newest technology to their satin lines, making the satin bonnet, satin pillowcases, and satin line beanies. They are super smooth, soft, and silky to your hair, which will also promote hair health and shine of your natural hair. So I got a few things from Yanibest, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox them together. So let's go ahead and see what this okay, so this first one that I have is their satin lined beanie, and this y'all don't understand how happy I am, especially because now we're coming up on the winter time. But this is what it looks like. So I got it in the color black, and then the inside is lined with their super soft satin line. So hair is gonna be super protected in the winter time, and I'm definitely a beanie girl in the winter, so I love this. Yeah, and I've actually really always wanted one. I've always wanted one. The beanies, I do have beanies now, but they 1000% dry my hair out. Like, my hair's rough when I take it off. I can feel that it's drier. Sometimes it actually gets like a little bit like, you know, frizzy and a little bit tangled as well, especially if I'm, you know, if I've been doing things throughout the day. So this, I'm so excited to have this now. You don't even understand. The motto on all their boxes is wake up. You can't see it, but it's wake up and be radiant. The next one, what is this? Oh, yep. So the next one is a bonnet, and it's for the longer style. So like right now I'm in braids, or honestly for those nights as well where I probably have my hair out and I'm just real lazy and I don't want to like do the whole wrapping method, but I want to protect my hair and I don't want my hair to have like dents and things in it. This is another reason why I will wear these, because then the length of my hair will be through this part. I know it's protected and it's good. And I really like it because theirs come with this adjustable part, so you can put this on your hair. Don't want to mess this up with my makeup. And then cross this part, and you can what is this? you can control how tight this is on you, because I will say that I've also gotten satin bonnets and things that just have an automatic elastic band, and some of them are too tight. Like I literally had to like either try to stretch them out, or I just really can't wear it because I will wake up with a headache. So I like that they have this where you can control it, and then also you can tie it in the front for like extra security to just make sure it doesn't roll off your head. And I got it in this really nice like green emerald color. Oh no, okay. And then I got one of their standard bonnets as well. So this pack comes with a bonnet and a satin hair tie. And I am definitely getting more into the satin hair ties or scrunchies as well, to protect my hair. So this one, I love it because it's a 2-in-1. So you have this side, which is like the brown side, and then you can flip it as well. And then this one's like a champagne gold color. All right, so another thing, again, you can control the tightness of this bonnet, which I really like. It comes with a, I don't even know what to call it, but it's not a drawstring, but you can tighten. You can tighten this as tight as you want to, and then you just pull the string like this, and that will give it like a new circumference. So again, I really, really like this. It's double lined, it's super thick and durable. That's another thing I was really excited to test out, because usually bonnets are just like one layer. It's super thin. This is real thick and it's real durable, and it's like, yeah, my hair is gonna be protected in here. So the next product that I got is a box of, again, I told you guys, I'm getting more into the satin scrunchie life, especially when I have my natural hair out, because usually if I'm not wearing my hair down, it's gonna either be like in a ponytail or like a half up, half down. So this last product from them, I was really, really excited. So they have two. It's the overnight curls, the heatless curls, but they had two. They have the one, like the longer one, which this is what, and then they had ones where they were like jumbos, but it was like 4. So you could put them like in different places. I wanted both of them, but they were out of stock of that one. So I'm pretty sure we all know about this. We've seen this like everywhere, but this is their version of it. It's really soft throughout. It's not like hard, so I know this is gonna be comfortable. And it comes with this at the bottom as well, so you can tie the hair up. Most of them just come with these, and you typically have to figure out some way to like close your hair. But y'all, this, and then it comes with the 2 scrunchies as well to tie your hair. I'm so excited to try this one. I'm so excited to try this after I get my hair done. That is everything that I got from Yanibest. So again, once I get this haircut and this press and basically a reset for my hair to start on my new hair care journey, they are going to make sure that my hair is cared for and protected, and I'm really, really grateful and thankful for that. So again, Yanibest, thank you so much for sponsoring this portion of the video. So let's go ahead and get into the hair care. Now, I don't know if y'all know, but there's been a lot going on when it comes to Black women's hair and the natural hair care products that's supposed to be good for our hair. When they first came out, I wholeheartedly think they were truly beneficial to our hair. I felt the difference. You know, we were so happy to have hair care products that were geared towards our hair. But over time, I don't know what it is. I don't know, it was once they sold the brand to these bigger companies that are not catered for us. If the formulas were changed, the ingredients, I don't know what's been going on, but there's just been a lot of controversy of people's hair falling out and so forth. And I can attest, again, over these last like year and a half since I've been, you know, nursing my hair back to health, that I will use these products and they may feel good for the meantime while they're on my hair, but after I wash them out, my hair was still feeling dry. It was still feeling brittle, and I didn't really understand it. And yeah, I don't know, but I wasn't really feeling the best about it. I think I don't know. And I don't want to speak too much because, you know, I don't know the ins and outs of it. But at this point with my hair, I'm like, you know what? I'm just not leaving anything to chance anymore. I would rather go back to a professional salon quality product that I know works for my hair, that I know is going to give great results. So that's what I did. Y'all, I went back to Design Essentials. I went back to Design Essentials, okay? And I'm just like, you know what? I want salon quality products. I want professional grade hair care products in my hair. I'm tired of jumping on trends. Let me say that. I'm tired of jumping on trends when it comes to hair care products and things like that. So we're going back. So the first thing I got was their Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Conditioning Shampoo. So this is, and y'all see I got the big bottle of everything because I'm not playing. I got the big bottle. I will have links to everything down below. I mainly got everything from Amazon. So they have no sulfates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no silicones. And that was the other thing too. A lot of these brands have a lot of silicone in them and a lot of salts. If I'm using something to moisturize my hair, why do you have an ingredient that's going to do the adverse of it? Why do you have something that's going to dry out my scalp and dry out my hair? Make it make sense. So that's my main shampoo. Now that was another thing. I'm also suffering from seborrheic dermatitis, which is dandruff. I ain't never really had dandruff before, y'all. Up until I want to say like a good like probably 4 or 5 years ago, I never had an issue with dandruff. Baby, now my scalp be inflamed. My scalp be going through it like on fire. So, and that's another thing. I'm like, what the heck? Like, what the heck? Like, I'm really just trying to make it make sense. So next is this conditioner, and this is their Rosemary and Mint conditioner. So it's supposed to be a stimulating super moisturizing conditioner, and for this conditioner you will actually put it on your scalp. So for those moments where the seborrheic dermatitis is like really flaring up and my scalp needs to be soothed, I wanted to get something that I could truly put on my scalp that was not only going to help with the itchiness and stuff like that, but actually moisturize the skin on my scalp. And then with this one, it's no sulfates, no alcohols again. So I like this. I like this. So the next one I got was their Almond Butter Deep Conditioner. So this is your Almond Butter Express Instant Moisturizing Conditioner. It's free from sulfates, alcohol, and mineral oil. Again, so this is just strictly moisturizing. Maybe my scalp isn't really acting up. I don't necessarily need this one. But I do need to deep condition my hair, and also maybe I don't necessarily have the time to really sit around for like, you know, the 15-30 minutes to deep condition my hair. Maybe it's one of those quick washes. This one is meant to penetrate the cuticles a lot faster. So you literally only have to like leave this one for like 5 minutes and you should get all the moisture that you need. And also like it was just at a really good price on Amazon, so I was like, girl, just go ahead and grab all of them because you're gonna need them. You're gonna need them. I might not open all of them at one time, to be honest, but this is the other one that I got. So I know I needed something that was gonna be like protein based, something that will, you know, put the help back in my hair, like a reconstructorizer, just in case, to keep my hair healthy and strong. So the next one that I got is their Design Essentials Milk and Honey 6-in-1 Reconstructive Conditioner. And it is just that. So this is meant for relaxed or chemically treated hair or damaged hair. So this is a protein treatment. So this is something I will probably do like once every couple months. Again, just to make sure the integrity of my hair is up. Yeah, so these are the new products that I have gotten so far from my hair care journey. I actually have 3 more products that's coming from Design Essentials, but I think I'm just hold off on even talking about that one until I get it, because that one is a smoothing treatment. So I'm also transitioning from using keratin based treatments into more of a smoothing treatment. The Design Essentials one is an amino based acid treatment. So yeah, so that one's on its way. It should be here in a couple days, but I'm really excited about that as well. Cause you guys know I do like to wear my hair straight, but again, I live in Florida. It's super humid. I need something to help combat the frizz so I don't excessively use heat on my hair. So I'm going to be trying out the Design Essentials STS system. But yeah, I'm really excited about all of this. I'm really excited to venture into this new hair care journey. I want to get back to just using products that's good for my hair, kind of stepping away again from all these trends that just yeah, just getting away from all of that. So I'm really excited. Again, I'm gonna do a hair vlog when I go to the salon, and after that, baby, it's up from there. Yeah, so I'm gonna be sharing all of that with you guys, but I wanted to come on and just kind of give you a haul, let you guys know what I'll be using coming up, what's coming up. Yeah, so definitely thumbs up this video if you guys are excited about this, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.